Welcome to Andrew Kelsall Design, raw and uncut. Here's a really simple tip to vary the line width in Illustrator. So basically, let's just get this out of the way first. If you want to draw a line, choose the pen tool, and then here's just a sample wiggly line. I will just quickly turn the fill off of that and turn it into a stroke. So I'll turn it green. So normally what you would do if you had a line, you would then, choose the weight, and the weight would look like this, and the ends of it will be capped this way or circular. That's pretty much, your options for the end pieces. Now, if you choose it and go to cap and use a square cap on it, there is a tool that when I first started using Illustrator years ago, I never knew it existed, and it might not have been there. It might have been introduced somewhere along the line, but ever since I discovered it, I use it quite a lot. So find it in your menu bar. It's like the symbol. It's called the width tool. On Mac, it's Shift W. It's like a little squiggly line with 3 points going through it. And basically, I'm just going to choose a different colour so this is a bit clearer. There we go, so you can see the red on the blue. So as you hover over the line here, look, you can see this little thing, a little anchor point thing following you around. Basically, so say you want to vary the width of the line on the end, just go down to the end, click down on it, hold your mouse or your pen button, and just vary the width. So if I go into a point like that, this is what will happen. And then in the center, maybe you want it even wider, and then go to the end. Oops. Yeah. Sometimes you have to choose the M one. You can go in, look, and it's like a really good thick stroke that ends up tapered on both sides. Let's go into vector view, Command Y, and you can see it's just a simple line. There's plenty you can do with this as well. You could also say press the plus symbol, add some more anchor points, choose the width tool again, so you can make this one say thicker. Right, choose this one thicker, but this one, you can see there where I hovered over, these two handles came out, and then this one. So there's plenty you can do with it. Just hover your mouth, hover the mouse, not the mouth. You can experiment with it, and there's some really cool effects that you can do, and it's really simple. And you can create a lot just by using just a simple line, and that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.